If at first you don't succeed, try, and maybe even just ride again. Welcome back, guys. Today we are back in the stunning Valvarrone for an epic MTB adventure with one goal in mind: reaching Rifugio Santa Rita at the Bocchetta della Cazza. Now you may remember I've tried this before, and honestly, the mountain won. It proved too tough. But today, well, it's a beautiful summer day. My legs feel good. And hey, I have some unfinished business with this mountain. Let's do it. Our journey begins just outside Premana. The weather couldn't be more perfect. But before we face the brutal gradients ahead, rule number one of epic rides: fuel is important. So first up, the Giabi's Ristoro right by the river. And when they offer you a fantastic homemade chocolate cake, you don't say no. Forget bananas. That chocolate cake, that's pure energy right there. With the chocolate kicking in, we follow the trail upward. Listen to that stream, nature's soundtrack at its best. As we push higher, the valley suddenly opens up. So welcome to Rifugio Casera Vecchia. It's absolutely breathtaking here. Grassy fields as far as the eye can see, cattle grazing peacefully, and the summer sun, it's just kissing the landscape. Time for a quick rest, a few snacks, and a moment to just soak in this incredible panorama. All right, this is the moment of truth. From Casera Vecchia, it's time to summon all our courage, put that chocolate to work, and hit the path to Rifugio Santa Rita. Now, this path is notorious. It is treacherous. At the beginning, it's slick and wet, and that makes traction a nightmare. Then, it turns into a brutal, rocky, and uneven staircase. And the gradient? It's constantly spiking over 20%. Now, the bike's engine, and I have to say I'm loving the new bike, but the bike's engine is doing its absolute best to push us up. But keeping this beast controlled on loose rocks? Oh, that's all on us. Keep pushing. Phew! 30 minutes of pure, relentless suffering, and we made it. We are at the Bocchetta della Cazza, standing right at Rifugio Santa Rita. Look at this place. We are literally on the knife-edge ridge between Valvarrone and Val Biandino. Turn this way and you see where we climbed from. Turn the other way and a whole new beautiful valley opens up before us. I can't believe we actually conquered it this time. Oh, it's time to celebrate. You can't come all the way up here and not celebrate. And the reward at Rifugio Santa Rita is legendary. Check this out. Authentic Alpine gnocchi with panna and burnt ricotta. Yes, burnt ricotta. Yes, I said it. Yum, yum, yum. The smoky flavor of the ricotta with the cream is out of this world. And of course, dolce, another slice of cake because, well, we earned it. To finish off a perfect day, we let the drone take to the sky. Yes, we set the drone free to capture the true scale of this incredible place. Standing up here, looking at these mountains, you realize why we push through the tough climbs. You know, if a trail beats you in the past, don't give up. Keep training, come back, conquer it. And thanks for watching this journey with me. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the view. If you enjoy drone footage, subscribe. We have more epic rides in store, and I'll see you in the next valley. How does that sound? It's ciao for now.